Do you have a broken garage door, spring, or opener? We can handle all types of repairs. Rockwall Garage Door Repair is only a quick call away. Protect the safety and security of your family and home. Give us a call now and get peace of mind. You can have our local quality garage door repairman at your door fast. A free inspection and no obligation estimate is your first step to getting your garage door repaired. There's no risk in calling, but you risk more by leaving your garage door unsecured. Take action by calling your local Rockwall garage door repair experts today. Mention this video and get your special online saving.